Hello everyone, good day, and this is Sir Romel, and today we are going to discuss about our new lesson, which is about integers. Okay, that is multiplying and dividing integers. Okay, so before we start with our main lesson, let us have a short review. So that is about naming positive and negative integers. Okay, are you ready for this? Okay, so review tayo. So, let's try to read this situation. So, Mr. Santos traveled 120 kilometer north on a fishing boat by following the North Star, which is also known as Polaris. So, name the integer that is given in the situation. Now, before answering this, kids, do you know what is Polaris? So, yung Polaris, yan yung tinatawag nating North Star, which is found sa north part direction. So, meaning, nasa north part siya. So, yan ay hindi umaalis yung star na yan. Kaya yung mga travelers, yan yung ginagamit na direction. So, pag gusto nila pumunta ng papuntang north, susundan lang nila yung star na yan, which is the Polaris. Kung gusto nilang pumunta sa south, so, tapos tatalikod lang sila sa North Star and that is already going to south. And then, kung gusto nila pumunta ng east, so, sa right side. So, west, sa left side. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung compass. Okay, so makikita natin dyan, di ba? Yung north, papunta sa taas, south, sa baba. Yung east, that is going sa right. And then, yung west, going sa left. Now, ano sa palagay nyo ang sagot natin? What integer? Okay, very good. So, the correct answer is positive 120. And why is that? Because papunta siyang north, papunta sa taas. So, pag pataas, that is positive. Pag pababa, which is papunta sa south, again, that is negative. Papunta sa east, that's right. Okay, that is positive. And pag papunta naman sa left side or papunta sa west, that is negative. Okay? Okay, let's have number 2. 16 steps backward. Okay, what do you think is the answer? Okay, very good. The answer is negative 16. Very good. Okay. Next one. Number 3, that is deposited 1,500 pesos in a bank. So, the answer is, okay, very good. That is positive 1,500. Okay, so we also took up about addition of negative numbers and positive numbers by using the red tiles and black tiles. Okay, so tingnan natin to. Okay, so 4 plus 9, that is equals to 13, right? So, yung 4, that is positive. So, yung 9, that is also positive. So, therefore, meron tayong 4 tiles, 4 red tiles, and 9 red tiles. Now, i-add natin yon. So, all in all, we have 13 red tiles. So, the answer is 4 plus 9 or positive 4 plus positive 9, and that is equals to positive 13. Okay, next one is negative 2 plus, open parenthesis, negative 3, close parenthesis. That is equals to negative 5. Okay, bakit kaya naging negative 5 yung sagot? Okay, tingnan natin. Yung negative 2, dalawang black tiles. Okay, diniscuss na natin last time na yung black tiles ay para sa negative numbers. Okay, so kung negative yon, so negative 2, dalawang black tiles. Plus, negative 3. So, yung negative 3, of course, tatlong black tiles. Okay, very good. So, kung 2 black tiles, tsaka 3 black tiles, so, ano gagawin natin? So, i-add lang natin yan. Okay. So, pag-add natin, 2 plus 3, ilan? That is equal to 5 black tiles, which is also equals to negative 5. Bakit negative? Black yun eh. Okay, di ba? Ang black tiles is represented by negative numbers. Okay? Okay, so let us proceed to our main lesson, which is about basic operation on integers, which is about multiplication and division of integers. Okay, so let's start with multiplication of integers. So for example, so I'm going to give you an example. Negative 5 times negative 5. Both are enclosed in parentheses. Alam niyo na kung bakit, no? Negative 5 times negative 5. That is equal to positive 25. Why? Because ang rule natin, when you multiply negative number by a negative number, that is equals to positive numbers. Okay? So, let's say for example nga, negative 5 times negative 5. So, the answer is positive 25. O, halimbawa, another example, negative 3 times negative 4. So, the answer is positive 12. Okay? Okay, so that's the first rule, no? Negative times negative will give you positive number. Okay, next example. So, for the next example, we have negative 9 times positive 5. So, here, we're going to multiply negative by a positive number. So, what do you think is the answer? Okay, so the answer here is negative 45. Why negative 45? Rule number 2. So, if you are going to multiply negative number by a positive number, remember, the answer is negative. Okay? Positive times negative, that is negative. Okay, that's rule number 2. Okay, and the last example, we have positive 3 times positive 3. So, parang yung regular multiplication of whole numbers lang yan. Positive 3 times positive 3 is equals to, syempre, positive 9. Okay, third rule, syempre, if you're going to multiply positive by a positive number, the answer is a positive number. Okay? Okay, so again, balikan natin yung rule. So, rule number 1, ano nga yung rule number 1? Very good. Which means, if we multiply negative by a negative number, the answer is positive. Very good. Okay, the next one. How about if we are going to multiply positive by a negative number or vice versa, negative by positive? Ano magiging sagot? What will be the sign? Okay, very good. The answer is negative. So, rule number 2, again, multiplying positive by a negative number, the answer is negative. Okay? And for the third rule, yes, okay. Multiplying positive number by a positive number, the answer is, of course, positive. Okay, so this time, let's have some exercises. Okay? Ready? Ipa-flash ko sa screen yung problem, and then I'm going to give you 3 seconds or maybe 2 seconds only, and then you give the answer. Right? Mentally, or write it down in your scratch paper there. Okay? So, let's start. Okay? Here we go. Okay, that is negative 4 times 5. The answer is? Okay, very good. So, the answer is negative 20. Okay, next one. Negative 7 times negative 4. What do you think is the answer? 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The answer is? Very good. That is positive 28. Okay, and the next one. We have positive 4 times positive 9. The answer is? Very good. Positive 36. Okay. Okay, so now let's proceed with the division of integers. Division na tayo. So, actually, division tsaka multiplication, pareho lang talaga sila, no? If you're going to divide integers, kung anong rule sa multiplication, the same din sa division. Okay? So, let's say for example, negative 10 divided by 2. Okay, negative 10 divided by 2. So, negative by positive. The answer is, okay, the answer is negative 5. Why? Because sa division, the same as multiplication, when you divide negative by a positive, so the answer is negative. Okay, next one. Let's say, for example, 5 divided by 5 or positive 5 divided by 5. The answer is positive by positive. Okay, very good. The answer is positive 1. Okay, so yung rule number 2 natin, rule number 3, we're in positive divided by positive, just like multiplication. The answer is a positive number. Okay, next tayo. So, negative 9 divided by negative 3. What's the answer? Okay, very good. So, negative divided by negative. The answer is positive 3. So, the same nga sa multiplication. Ulitin ko, di ba? When you multiply negative times negative, the answer is positive. So, sa division, the same. You divide negative by a negative, the answer is positive. Okay. So, let's proceed. Let's have exercises para ganahan tayo. Okay. So, again, ipa-flash ko sa screen and then you're going to answer it mentally or you can write it down in your paper, on your paper. Okay. So, first one is, here we go. Negative 12 divided by negative 4. Okay, 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Time's up. The answer is, yes, very good. Positive 3. Okay, next one. So, negative 10 divided by 5. Negative 10 divided by positive 5. So, negative and positive. So, 1, 2, 3. Time is up. So, the answer is, very good. The answer is negative 2. Next one. We have 42 divided by 7. So, both positive, no? For positive 42 divided by positive 7. And 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is, of course, positive 6. Okay, so for learning task 1, we are going to multiply the following. And then you're going to write your answer in your notebook. Now, for those who are not around, mga absent, wala ngayon, o hindi nila mapapanood tong video, siguro kindly, siguro send them message na yung mga exercises na sasagutin nila is pwede nilang isulat na lang sa papel at yun ang isasubmit sa retrieval by Friday. Okay? So, pakisabi na lang, basahin na lang yung WHLP. And then, yung meron naman tayong guides doon. And then, masasagutan nila. Pwede nila ako i-text, okay, or i-chat in case na meron silang hindi naintindihan. Okay? So, please, kindly send them messages. Okay, para hindi sila naiiwan. Okay. So, let's proceed with learning task 1. So, we're going to answer this. Okay, I'm going to give you how many? 5 seconds per number. Okay, let's proceed. Number 1, 4 times negative 3. And then number 2 is 6 times 6. Number 4 is negative 4 times negative 5. And then 8 times negative 2. And the last one is negative 7 times negative 3. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Kasya na, no? 5 minutes. Go! Okay, so pwede na. Answer for number 1 is, okay, very good. That's negative 12. Next, number 2. The answer is, very good. That is positive 36. Number 3. Okay, that's positive 20. Number 4. Very good. That's negative 16. And number 5, that is positive 21. Very good. Okay, so we got 5 correct answer. Outstanding. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's proceed to learning task 2, which is about dividing integers. Okay? So, ito, tignan natin. So, number 1, that is 8 divided by 4. Number 2, that is negative 12 divided by negative 3. Number 3 is negative 10 divided by 2. Number 4, 12 divided by negative 6. And then number 5 is 24 divided by negative 8. Okay. So, we are going to match column A with column B. Okay, write the letter of the correct answer. Okay, let's proceed. I'm going to give you 5 minutes again for you to answer. Okay, go. Just choose the letter. Pwede na? Okay, so let's answer. So number 1, that is 8 divided by 4. The answer is, okay, letter B. Next, number 2. The answer is letter E. Nice. Next, number 3. The answer is letter A. Yes, letter A. And next, for number 4, the answer is letter D. And last one, number 5. Our answer is letter C. Okay, who got 5? Correct answer. Very good. Very good. Good job. So, how's the practice exercises? Madali ba? Kayang-kaya, right? So, for learning task 3, your task is to copy the link below and paste it in your browser. Then click enter, and then you are going to answer the problems found in the Google form. After answering, click submit. And you can click view score para malaman nyo kung ilan ang score nyo. Okay? So then, I'm going to give you 10 minutes to finish this task. So, are you ready? Okay, so the time starts now. So how's the test? Who got 5 correct answer? Very good. Keep it up. Okay, so for learning task 4, I'm going to ask you to evaluate the following expression, and then you're going to write this answer in your answer sheets. Okay, so that is 1 to 10. So I'm going to ask you to copy these exercises, and then after answering this, you are going to pass that on Friday for our retrieval. Okay? So, kukolektahin ko na lang sila next Friday. So then, I'm going to give you 10 minutes to finish this task. So, are you ready? Okay, so the time starts now. So time is up. 10 minutes is over. So you may keep your answer sheets. And again, I'm going to collect that next Friday during retrieval. Okay, so any questions? If you have any questions, just text me or chat me or you can call me. Okay? So this is the end of the lesson. Goodbye class and keep safe everyone.